Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to apply for a visitor visa to the government of St. Vincent and the Grenadiers. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, lot of countries, especially in the Caribbean, are very famous for tourist destinations and other tourism activities. So for this one, like St. Vincent and Grenadiers, first of all, as you can see, I've opened their official government website where they've clearly written that only for the people of these countries, they must apply to the Ministry of National Security in St. Vincent for entry visa. So if you're not from these countries, don't worry. What are the documents they need? Application form, copy of bio page of passport, two passport size, letter from sponsor, police certificate of character, financial statement, hotel booking if applicable, charter agreement if applicable, and Caribbean dollars $200 fee. This is the processing fee and wire transfer. Okay. And the payment by bank draft should be made here. They have given the information. So that's okay. And you need to mail your document to this address in order to get them processed. Now, if you click on visa form, this is how it looks like. Photo you paste, and this is valid for a single journey. Surname, name, date of birth, nationality, country, passport details, home telephone, email, marital status, spouse details, if applicable, and even if divorced or separated, present employer details, and date of travel. And this is asking about if you have been ever to that place, if you have been ever issued a visa. If yes, provide the information if you have been refused an entry visa, and another traveling companion. It's very simple form and signature, and the fee they have also written. Okay. All right. Now for tourists, those who are coming, it's very important that we see these pieces of information. They have given some more information about that. And visa requirements we have already seen. So it's very simple to apply, and not everyone needs to apply for this. So that's how simple it is, guys. And I hope you're gonna like this video. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.